We are in the central square of Brașov, Romania.
At the center of the square is the old town hall with the city's coat of arms, which features a crown. In fact, the city is called Kronstadt in German. On a hill stands a citadel, which I'll visit later. From the main street, we enter an alley and reach the old city walls. There's a mysterious underground passage there. From here, you go up and reach a bastion. You just have to climb a few steps.
So I climbed all these steps, hoping to find some castle, but there is just this white tower, which was erected in 17th century.
Ahead, you can see a cable car that takes you to the top of the hill. From there, you can reach the Brasov sign. Down there, you can glimpse the other side of the walls, with bastions. The tower is closed, but you can peek through the bars. We go back down, hoping not to encounter any bears. And here we are again at the walls. Some images of the pedestrian area. The synagogue.
Ioannes Onterus,
who brought Lutheranism to Kronstadt. Let's visit the
Biserica Neagra,
the Black Church. Ancient decorations with coats of arms of families and guilds. These Ottoman carpets, dating from the 16th to 19th centuries, are always found in Transylvanian churches. This is the only medieval painting in the church that survived the Reformation and the Great Fire of 1689. I like that they left it so simple, with gravel, without wasting tiles or asphalt. When it rains, one simply walks there on the side. During my stay, there was always some event in the square, markets, or concerts, like this one. There's an ice cream shop in a church building, or a church surrounded by an ice cream shop. Let's go see. It's Orthodox. Let's go up to the Citadel. It's closed. Let's go back down. And in the evening we go to see the other side of the walls. Each bastion belonged to a guild, the rope makers, the weavers, the postmen. Today they changed the colors of the lettering. They've added the colors of the flag. And today we're also showing off some typical dishes.
Ciorba de burta,
Tripe soup,
mici, basically the Romanian cevapcici, and tokitura.
sausage and pork served with polenta, eggs, and cheese.